What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Motor Home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Dodge Journey, and we are replacing upper control arm. So for this job, you're gonna need two 18mm wrenches, and they're just 2 bolts. So that and replacement arms actually in this arm. Yeah, both sides, they're the same. So the old man already took the nut off, and now he's just taking the bolt. The old man already took the nut off, and now he's just taking the bolt. And in this case, on the upper side, the nut is actually nut welded to the brackets, so you have to have 2 of those 18mm wrenches. Alright, so the arm is out, and this is a replacement part right there.
It's very important, you need to put like this, you see?
Yeah.
You need to go down.
Arch goes down.
That's a little bit. You see, you take the just me. Take it straight. Push it inside.
It's a little bit of wiggle, 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 wiggle. Trying to center the hole. And the job is done. So altogether, even if you're using jack stand, it's going to take you longer than 30 minutes to finish everything.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for watching. See you next video.